It looks like I'm kind of rained out today. But I did do a little something today. There was a rust right there. I didn't have a long enough piece to go all the way. So this gets all covered anyway, so it doesn't matter. And I just put some of that rust reformer just to protect the welds. And then I'll hit it with the grinder again, then I'll put some vetbond over it, top and probably bottom. I might be able to tack some points from the bottom, and we'll see. But I'm a beginner, man. This is, sure some body guys are on here going, Jesus Christ, look at it. Yeah, well, what do you want? I'm not paying somebody a fortune to do this, so it's coming along, man. I'm getting there. Started messing around with the radio wires, so I'm gonna be doing that. Well, not next, but I'll look at all that. Damn. Interior should be going back together within the next month. Should be painted. So nice with this wall gone too, man. My garage is so much bigger. If he gets to hang out in here with me now. Oh well, looks like we're getting rained out. Okay guys, you all have a good day. Bye.